while playing in it.
Milk and cookies. We're talking about our time. Milk and cookies, and then it was away we go. No,
We can put a lot of things inside of us, and they just have a way of staying there and just getting lost. So the best way to make sure they're yours is to share them, to bring them back.
But the other thing is, do I need to change my license? So they keep talking about, oh, get on there and look at what somebody wrote about the activities that were, helpful to them.
We want to look at the tenure that we have in the room. How long have you been teaching kindergarten?
See how it changed the dynamics of the group when the parents were really invited in. Not to be a wall, but to be, let's bring our energy right here.
Wonderful.
And all of the little pieces that were a part of that.
So what I hear in that for you is a shift to having the parents be your students instead of the children, perhaps. And by the parents being your students, the children become the students of the parents. And so they're still yours as well. You can still genuinely claim the hugs you're going to get. They belong to you. But swish, 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 turn, 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 and swish.